Welcome to Excel for Work video 1. What Excel is and how it's used in real jobs. If you're watching this video, you might be wondering one simple thing. What exactly is Excel and why do so many jobs require it? So, Excel is a spreadsheet tool that is used to store, organize, calculate, and analyze data. In real life, Excel is used for budgets, sales tracking, reports, invoices, dashboards, planning, and is involved with decision making. It is used by accountants, clerks, business owners, analysis, and even people who say they are non-technical and not technical use Excel on a daily basis. The good news is this: you do not have to be good at math. Excel does the math for you. Your job is simply to know or understand how to tell Excel what you want. I'm going to re-emphasize this because this is a very important base foundation. Your job is simply to know or understand how to tell Excel what you want. In this channel, I'm going to take you from absolute beginner to work ready, step by step, with no jargon and no overwhelm. By the end of this series, you'll be able to open Excel and actually feel confident instead of confused. In the next video, I'll walk you through the Excel interface so you know exactly what you are looking at when you open it. If you want to follow along with the series, you can download the free Excel starter sheet using the link in the description. I strongly advise you to do this, as this is the sheet we will be using for this entire series. And I will see you in Excel for Work video 2.